Hey everybody! Well, it's time for your next Photoshop lesson. So today we're going to be learning two tools. One's called the Dodge tool and the other one's called the Burn tool. And one's used to lighten up pictures in little areas and one's used to do the opposite, to darken pictures up. So we've done something similar to our daily project, the one that we're going to do in this lesson. We've done something before. We've done a still life, and we use just the paintbrush and various colors. Well, the Dodge and Burn tools can be a hugely useful complement to this kind of digital painting type work. So our assignment for later on today is we're going to be doing another still life, but we're going to exercise our ability to use these the Dodge and Burn tools to give these pictures the look of having various textures. We want one object to look very shiny. We want another object to look very dull. So anyway, let's get going on our projects.
I'm actually going to go bigger. And then I'm slowly going to shrink it down, bit by bit. I'm not going to go any harder than that because it'll make it look a little bit shiny. The harder the little reflection point, the real reflective point is, the shinier the object will look. So that's looking pretty good to me. We're going to need a little bit of a shadow. So I'm going to use the Burn tool. So the Burn tool does the opposite of what the Dodge tool does. It just darkens the area. So I'm just going to that looks pretty good to me. What do you think? Looks pretty soft, right? So I'm satisfied with it. Okay, so I'm going to go on to this one. I'm going to make this one look quite a bit shinier, sort of like a big BB or something. So I'm going to go back to my Dodge tool, and I'm going to start the same way. Oops, I'm on the wrong layer. I'm going to start off the same way. If I can make it work. What am I doing wrong? Okay, that should be fine. Oh, you know what? Okay, there's two objects there. I'm going to trash the one I was painting on by mistake just now. Okay, here's the real object. Smaller. Now the real difference here, I'm going to keep going, getting smaller and smaller and smaller. Doesn't that look shinier already? But it still looks a little bit soft because it's not showing any real like hard reflections in it. Let me go ahead and use the Dodge tool to give it that shadowy effect first. It's too big. Okay, pretty good. Give it another pass. Another pass. And right at the opposite side. Go a couple times. There we go. Okay. Now, let's give it a couple nice hard reflections with the Dodge. I'm going to take the hardness away. Zoom in. You know what? Make it even tinier. Make it look like there was like a little boxy light source over here. It's not bad. I didn't give it a very good perspective. It actually should be leaning more, more like, trying to do it on screen messes with my brain. But yeah, you get the idea. It's leaning in a funny angle that makes it look a little strange. But I would say that looks shinier than the other one. Could actually give it a little. I don't like it after all. So on and so forth. So I'm going to do another one. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pull in some reference material. I'm going to look at grass. There we go. I'm going to copy paste it in, and I'm going to try to match the texture of the grass or the texture of my ball with this grass. So I copied and pasted it. Go ahead and bring that layer of grass to the top, very top layer. I'm going to call it grass. Not creative. Okay. Now we can have our grass on the screen with our ball. Let's see. Well, I'm going to go ahead and fast forward this. This might take me some time actually. So sit tight. Hey everybody. So I wasn't fond of how the grass was turning out, so I started doing a burlap one, but it's taken longer than I expected. It took me a while just to do this little strip. So you can see what I'm going for here though. So I'd like you to do the same thing. In light of that, I have more realistic expectations of how long this takes. So just do 6 of these balls. Cover them in a texture. Try to make it look nice in 3D, like the other ones did. And then, yeah, send it to me whenever you're done via email in a JPEG. So anyway, I look forward to seeing you next time. I'm going to actually keep working on here in case you want to, check it out and kind of watch how you use these burn and dodge tools just for a little bit. So, but I'll sign off otherwise. So see you soon.